Hello, my name is Tero Haata. I work for Unikie. We have built this system with the real-life drones, flown with them, and started to bring the AI into the edge and also into the back end. What we've basically done is to take the real-life devices, put them as a swarm or group, enable the flights, and then have the capability firstly in the back end to run as agents to execute the missions in drones. Then secondly, we've actually taken it such that we've generated a simulation environment where we can execute the missions easily and prove the points before we actually address the real customer cases. We can do it both now in the simulation and also in the real world with the real drones. Thank you.